Hey, do you have a 401k? Maybe a 403b? Maybe some 457 or maybe even an IRA? Here's what I'm going to tell you. Did you know that in 2001 and 2008, the market dropped more than 40%? So between those two time periods, you probably lost anywhere from 60 to 80% of your money. That's because someone put your money in an unsecure account. So what is it that I do? I teach people how to secure their money, how to avoid market risk, how to even get a bonus on top of what they already have. And I show you how to secure your retirement plan. You shouldn't be taking risks with your retirement plan. Your retirement plan needs to be secure. So if you like to learn how to secure your retirement plan, just click the link in my bio and put schedule a session. It's all complimentary. It's time you learn the fundamentals of how to secure your retirement. Click the link and click schedule. Click the link in my bio right now and you'll get a top opportunity to learn. Go ahead now. Go secure it.